They made it look so effortlessly easy, balancing work, home, and everything else, and yet bringing so much dedication and passion to their music. Thank you so much. The vote of thanks will now be delivered by Srimati Chetana.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Lalita Music Academy, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude for each one of you for being part of this special celebration of music. Your presence, encouragement, and patience have added so much warmth to this event. A special and sincere note of thanks to Sri Satya Babu, Anupama's husband, who's constant, I guess he's not here. He's there, okay. Whose constant support, guidance, and quiet strength have been a true pillar behind this program. By supporting every aspect of the Academy, his contribution has been invaluable. We are deeply grateful for his dedication. Our sincere thanks to all the parents, grandparents, and families for encouraging your children to pursue this beautiful art form and for standing by them through every practice and performance. A warm thank you to our instrumentalists, Vidwan Arunachala Karthik and Vidwan Vedant, for elevating today's performances with their artistry. To all our students, young and senior, thank you for all your hard work, sincerity, and enthusiasm. You are the heart of this academy, and today's performances reflected your dedication beautifully. We also thank our volunteers, well-wishers, who work tirelessly behind the scenes to make this event run smoothly. A special thank you to Mr. Venkatesh, our manager, for meticulously planning, coordinating, and helping us organize this event so smoothly. Thank you so much, sir, for your support. Our gratitude to the team handling the mic systems, sound, lighting, and to the Sabha for providing us this wonderful opportunity and venue. And a warm thank you to Shweta for her beautiful Rangoli decorations and flowers, and for all her help behind the scenes. And a vote of thanks will be totally incomplete without talking about our Guru Anupama. She is the backbone of today's program, and what comes through about Anupama is her passion for Carnatic music. She is an exemplary teacher, and her ability to connect with all age groups is amazing. She's a taskmaster and does not allow us to give up. And she has also made Carnatic music accessible to students who would never have thought of learning this art form. I am an example. Through people like her, I'm sure Carnatic music will reach a wider audience. On behalf of all students, I would like to express my gratitude and thank her profusely. Finally, our gratitude to each member of the audience for staying with us till the end and supporting every performer with such warmth. We now bring our program to a close with the rendition of Endaru Mahanubavulu, presented by our senior students. And following this performance, we warmly invite all of you to enjoy the dinner that has been arranged for everyone. Please do stay back and join us. Thank you all once again, and wish you a wonderful evening. Thank you.